Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect and review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of music with the MUSTAR 61-key piano keyboard, an electric piano designed with beginners in mind.
This piano keyboard isn't just any ordinary instrument.
It's the best digital piano for beginners with weighted keys available in the market.
Let's unpack why. First off, let's talk about the standout feature of this keyboard, the weighted keys. Unlike many beginner keyboards that have lightweight keys,
the MUSTAR 61-key piano keyboard mimics the feel of a traditional piano, providing a more authentic playing experience.
This is crucial for beginners who are just starting to develop their finger strength and technique.
But that's not all. This keyboard also comes with lighted-up keys, making it even easier for beginners to learn and practice.
Whether you're using the one-key mode, follow mode, or ensemble mode, these lighted keys provide visual cues to guide you along the way.
It's like having a built-in teacher right at your fingertips.
And let's not forget about the rich music selections. With 255 tones, 255 rhythms, and 50 demo songs, the creative possibilities are endless. Plus, the dual voice mode allows you to combine two voices together, giving you even more versatility in your playing. Now, let's talk about portability. Whether you're practicing at home or jamming outdoors, the MUSTAR 61-key piano keyboard is designed to go wherever you go. With two power supply methods, adapter and battery power, you can play anytime, anywhere. And with the included accessories like headphones, microphone, and adjustable stand, you'll have everything you need to start playing right out of the box. In conclusion, if you're a beginner looking for the best digital piano with weighted keys, look no further than the MUSTAR 61-key piano keyboard. Its combination of authentic feel, innovative features, and portability make it a top choice for aspiring musicians. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this.
Until next time, happy playing!